back at the sneak peek. I got Hidden Wrestling 4 and the Legendary pack. Okay, so I can hold it again. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Wow, what the hell? Oh my god. This pack doesn't want to be opened.
Dude.
What the?
What are you doing to that pack?
I'm reaping it. Oh my god. Okay, hopefully this is a good sign. No! I didn't even get anything worth. Okay, whatever.
Told you, dude. Told you about the same before.
But I wanted the trick. I've seen people get. Oh, whatever.
This weird way you're opening packs.
Oh my, what the hell? Dude, these packs hate me.
You got Dark End Dragon.
No, I didn't. Oh, I got this thing. Dark. Is this legal?
Yeah.
Okay, it better be legal. I got a Mariner. You think this is worth it? I think this is worth it.
That was a good pack.
That was a good pack. Righteous Justice. Oh well.
That's a really good pack, actually.
My friend, he bought one. He bought Legendary Collection 2, and he got all the heroes except he got everything except R, and it just read Ho. All right, we're still recording. Yep.